What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial based off of today's look. I thought I'd just go with something that would fit this season using the Gurl Mix Makeup eyeshadow palette, a palette that I've had for a very long time and I just haven't used it yet. So starting off with that palette, the four colors that I will be using today for the eyeshadow is that dark purple color, that reddish brownish color, the neutral color, and then orange. So starting off with that purplish color, we're going to place it directly into the crease. I like to tap my colors into my eyelids first and then blend them out using either the same brush or a clean brush. So we're just going to place this on us. So what has everybody been doing? How's life been? For me, transitioning. Recently, I just got a new job, meaning I will finally be home. The job I'm at now just wasn't working, y'all. Just wasn't working, and I felt like it wasn't. I couldn't do a lot of things that I wanted to do, including YouTube and making these tutorials and just being consistent with the tutorials. That job was just not one that was. It just wasn't gonna work. So thankfully, God blessed me with something else, something that I feel as if it's gonna really help me grow further in my career. Yeah, look at that eyeshadow. It is so pretty. Let me tell y'all, I was so excited to do this look. I've had this palette for a while, probably going on about 2 years. I'm no lie. And I just never used it. And so I was going through my palettes one day and I said, I've got to use this palette and I have the perfect look for it. And that is what I did today. So I blended out everything, as you can see, and now I'm going in with that brown color just to deepen the outside of my crease. Next, what I'm going to do is use an angled brush, going back in with that purplish shade, and I'm going to create a liner, so to say. I wanted to go in with black, but I think that would have taken away from the color scheme that I was going to do. So using the angled brush and then going in with that purple shadow really matched what I wanted it to match. And I'll be back to apply the lashes. Lashes, by the way, are from Beats by Dale Cosmetics. Y'all already know. And they're in the shade, not the shade, but the style Whipped. Very, very beautiful lashes. I even ordered some more. Clean off my face, and now I'm priming it with the E.L.F. Putty Poreless Primer. I have recently purchased some new primers, and I have some more coming in because, I had to hit the Black Friday sales, including the Beauty Bakerie foundation. Let me tell you something about this foundation, y'all. It's awesome. It is awesome. It feels amazing on the face. And I didn't know that it was based off of what they use for their foundation in Japan. And it tells you that on the back of the bottle. The foundation is awesome, bro. It didn't even feel like I had it on my face. So this is my all-time new favorite foundation. So yeah, the foundation is bomb. If you don't have it, go get it. So next, what I'm doing is concealing my face, giving it a little bit of highlight just to brighten the areas that I want to be brightened. And I'm using the Hydrating E.L.F. Camo Concealer from E.L.F. in the shade Deep Caramel. All products will be listed down below in the description box. And while you're here, why don't you go ahead and like the video? Yeah, I think that's a great idea. You should like the video, subscribe to my channel while you're there too. Oh, and hit that bell button so that you're notified of my next upload. And then after applying the concealer, I will be setting my concealer with some setting powder, and I'll be using the Beauty Bakerie setting powder. It's their translucent powder. I have used this powder in some of my other tutorials as well, and it really is a go-to. I think Beauty Bakerie is now going to become a go-to brand for me. The foundation just topped it all off. I'm just saying. It did everything for me. So now I got to get concealer and then some of their skin products just to really hit the nail with it. So after setting my concealer with the setting powder, I will be bronzing up my face using the brown shade from the Zulu palette, which is from Juvia's Place. Also, I spent a lot of money at Juvia's Place on Black Friday as well. I'm telling you, I buy makeup at the end of the year. That's the best time. That's the best sales. I'm telling you. Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? You ever get a really weird notification? Yeah, that's what that was. I don't know if it be spam. I be like when I accept friend requests, it looks like the person that I went to school with, but obviously I don't know these people. But anyway, child, I'm applying some blush. This is from the Watch Me Blush palette from the Crayon case. I had no clue how it was gonna turn out. It was looking real pink. I was like, I done ruined my face. But I blended it in and it came out to be really pretty. I just had to be careful of how much I actually apply. So that's a tip for next time. After that, after blending in the blush, I think I went in and set my face with the Morphe setting mist and then the Milani spray. I just started using those and my foundation didn't move at all for like the rest of the day. I didn't go anywhere, but still, that's a good thing to know. So I'll be using that next time. After setting my face, I will be underlining my eyes with a nude pencil from Essence Makeup. I love their little pencils because A, they're affordable and they're very pigmented. And I love using either a nude pencil or a white one because it really just adds some brightening to the eyes. I'm lining my lips with a brown lip pencil from NYX. I thought it was a slim lip pencil, but it was a regular one, so it was really rough on my lips, and I don't too much like that. So next, I use some lip gloss from Beats by Dell's Cosmetics. It's in the shade Skin. I think this lip gloss was discontinued, and I'm so sad about that because it's my favorite one. It's the perfect nude. And then I apply some highlight, also using the Watch Me Blush palette in the shade Cappuccino. And then that's the end of the video. I believe that this has been one of my favorite tutorials, one of my favorite eyeshadow looks. Oh, I felt so pretty and so confident. And I just love when I feel like that after an eyeshadow look. But anyway, y'all, I thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button to like, and hit that button to be notified of my next upload. Thank y'all, and I love y'all.